Hello friends, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to insert a blank page in Microsoft Word the right way. This is something so many people do the long way without realizing there's a much faster method. So here's the scenario. I have a document with 4 pages, and I want to insert a blank page immediately after the cover page. Now, a lot of people would just keep pressing the Enter key over and over again until the text gets pushed to the next page. But that's definitely not efficient, and certainly not the recommended way to insert a blank page in Word. Let's look at the simple and proper way to do it. Quick and clean. No unnecessary empty lines, no fuss. First, I'll place my cursor at the very beginning of the page where I want the new blank page to appear. Then I'll head over to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of Word. From there, in the group labeled Pages, I'll click on Blank Page, and just like that, a new blank page is inserted right after the cover. Word now shows 5 pages instead of 4. Easy, right? We now have a clean blank page sitting right where we wanted it. All the text after it has been moved down automatically. That's the efficient way to do it, and it keeps your formatting neat. Now, for those of you who love shortcuts, we can achieve the same result with a simple key combination. Just like before, place your cursor at the beginning of the page where you want the blank page to go. But instead of using the ribbon menu, press Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. That's it. Word inserts a new blank page instantly. It's fast, it's easy, and it works every time. So there you have it. 2 quick ways to insert a blank page in Microsoft Word without mashing the Enter key like we're stuck in the 90s. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more quick and practical tech tutorials. Got an idea or a question you'd like me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.